Hello, my loves. Welcome to Creating with Paola. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to clean an image. Thank you so much for this comment. That's why I'm making this video, so more of you guys can learn how to do it. I'm gonna show you two ways on how to do it. I'm gonna be using my Design Space program. If you have another plotter, then the second option will be good for you. I'm making this tutorial to show you how to do it because now that I made these two videos about Easy Color DTV, it is really important for you to know how to clean an image because you want your image or your design to look good. So thank you so much for your comment, and here is the video to show you how to do it. So if you want to clean the background of an image and you want it to look like this, keep watching. So to clean the background of an image, it's really easy. I'm gonna go to Google and I'm gonna look for this heart so you guys can see the process and you guys can practice with me. Here is the heart, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take a screenshot. If you don't know how to take a screenshot on your Windows, here you're gonna find how to do it. So on my Mac, I'm gonna press Shift Command 4 and this cross is going to appear. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna do this. Awesome. And then it will take a screenshot. I'm gonna go to Design Space. So here in Design Space, I'm gonna click Upload and then Upload Image. I'm going to click Browse and I'm gonna click the image that I took the screenshot. I'm gonna click Complex. Now you see that this heart has a white background. What about if I want only the heart on my design, on my shirt, and I don't want the white background? I don't want my Cricut to cut the white background. So I click Select, even though it is selected already, and I'm gonna click the white background. That's it. Also, you see this here? We have to erase it. So let's click Erase, and you can size it the way you want. And I'm just gonna press. So I'm going to click Apply and Continue. Awesome. I'm gonna click Print, then Cut Image because that's what we want. I'm gonna click Upload. Awesome. Here is your heart. Here is our heart. This is what we want. This is what we need. This is an example of cleaning your backgrounds. Whenever you want to use your DTV, your Easy Color DTV, and you find any image that you want to print out, this is the way of cleaning the background. If you're not doing this with your plotter, then you can use your, you can cut it with your scissors, if you want to. But if you want to use your plotter, this is the way on how to get the shape of what you want. The other way on how to clean your background is this one. You're gonna go to Google, and here you are going to type remove.bg. I guess it means background. Okay, so here you are going to upload any image you want. I'm gonna upload my heart, and in a matter of seconds, this is the result. So I'm just going to download, head to Design Space, Upload Image, Browse, click Complex. and apply and continue, because we don't have to do anything. Print and cut, and that's it. And that's it. Look, here are the results. The resolution looks different because the process on each of them were different. So that being said, this is how you cleaned a background. This is how you make your life easier. And this is how you make your designs or whatever you want beautiful and pretty. Okay? And you don't have the square or the circle or the triangle, whatever, on your Cricut. Like your Cricut, it's not gonna cut that anymore. Okay? All right, my loves. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. This is my English channel. I have a Spanish channel called Creando con Paola, and which I have 12.1K over there. And here I'm going to keep uploading videos in English. So welcome to this channel, and thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart right here. All right. Thank you. I hope this helps you.